from the University of New Orleans. Last season, she earned All-America honors in 4 events at the Division II Championship. She holds the school record in the 100 butterfly and was a member of 3 relay teams that set school records last season. This season, she has the team's top time in the 100 butterfly and is a member of all 5 relay teams that have posted this season's top time. Kelly Ruff. Kelly came to Florida Southern as a freshman 4 years ago. She was an All-American in the 200 freestyle relay as a sophomore. Last season, she had times that were in the top 10 in 6 events, had 2 top 10 individual finishes, and 3 top 6 relay finishes at the SSC Championship. This season, she is a member of the 200 freestyle relay team that has the best time in that event. Kelly Ruff. Raylyn Sheffield. Raylyn is in her 3rd season at Florida Southern and has earned All-America honors 8 times in her career, including 7 last season. She holds 4 school records, 200 individual medley, 400 individual medley, which she set this season, 100 breaststroke, and 200 breaststroke. And in addition, she's a member of 4 relay teams that hold school records. Raylyn Sheffield. Caitlin Smith. Caitlin is truly the veteran of this group as she started her Florida Southern career in the 2007-2008 season and graduated this past December. An injury kept her sidelined for all of the 2009-10 season, and she was granted an extra season of competition. She's been one of the Moccasins' top distance swimmers. She has the team's best times this season in the 500 and 1,000 freestyle and is the school record holder in the 1,000 and 1650 freestyle. Caitlin Smith. Melinda Turner. A 4-year swimmer for the Moccasins, Melinda has been one of the top academic performers for the team in addition to her efforts in the pool. Twice she has been named to the SSC Commissioner's Academic Honor Roll, and last season received a prestigious Division II Academic Achievement Award, which goes to student athletes who have a 3.50 grade point average or better. Melinda Turner. And now for the men. Lance Klein. Lance is in his 2nd season at Florida Southern after transferring from TCU. He made an immediate impact last season as he set school records in the 500 and 1,000 freestyle at the SSC Championships. This season at the Nova Invitational in December, he broke his own school record in the 1650 freestyle and was a member of the 800 freestyle relay team that also set a school record. Lance Klein. Charlie Dolan. Charlie has been with the Moccasins for 4 seasons after coming to Florida Southern from England. Last season, he was named to the SSC Commissioner's Academic Honor Roll. Injuries have limited his competition this season. He does own 2 of the school's top 5 times in the 200 breaststroke. Charlie Dolan. And last but not least, Greg Gorman. Greg is another 4-year performer for the Moccasins. He's been a regular in the Moccasin lineup all 4 years. He had 3 top 10 individual finishes at last season's SSC Championship and also swam on 4 relay teams that had top 6 finishes. He owns one of the school's top 5 times in the 200 butterfly and was a member of one of the top 5 800 freestyle relay teams. Greg Gorman. Thank you, seniors, for helping making the Moccasins one of the top Division II programs in the country.